Well, welcome back, Geometry. Yesterday's assignment was understandably probably not one of our favorites. It's okay. We do the best we can. Today we're going to talk about nets. And so what we have here is, don't look at the right side for just now. Let's look at the left. What this is telling us is this is called a net. And they're giving us a net drawing, and these dotted lines means that you would fold it along those dotted lines. So if you were to imagine with me folding these dotted lines, that means that this side would fold up, that side would fold up, then you would fold it over again, this would fold up and then fold it over. And if you did all of these folds, you would end up with a 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter cube or hexagon. So what you're going to do for this assignment is I'm going to give you a net, and then I'm going to give you a shape, and all you're going to do is you're going to match which net goes to which shape, and vice versa. I'll give you a shape, and you're going to match which net goes to that shape. So we're just going to talk about that a little bit. So this turns out to be a cube, 5 by 5 by 5. And another name for a cube is a hexahedron. So this one here, if you notice, the folds are here, here, and here. So I would fold up, fold up, fold up. So I would have a 2-inch by 2-inch by 2-inch. I would have a triangular pyramid or a tetrahedron. So a triangular pyramid or a tetrahedron. Very interesting. So that would be the net. I would just fold up on these sides. So if you even cut out a triangle on your paper and you fold it along these creases, you would realize that you have a pyramid. The next thing is draw a net for the solid shown. So that was going from a net to a solid, a net to a solid, a net to a solid. Now we can go from a solid to a net. So if we were to imagine this shape here, right here, we have a top and a bottom, and you can see it's kind of peeling off already. So the top peels up, the bottom peels down. That would be our first net part. And then we have the bands around it. They can open up here. And so I would have 1, 2, and then the middle piece that connects the two pentagons, the two bases, and then 3 and 4. And so this would be considered my net right here. Again, I would just really want you guys to be able to match them. You would have a couple choices, and they would go back and forth. Here's another example. Draw a net for each solid, then label its dimensions. Again, I just want you guys to be able to match them. I want you to be able to look at them and say, oh, that would be XY shape. So this is a rectangular prism, and this would be the net for the rectangular prism. We have the 4 sides here, and then we flip these flaps up, and you got your 2 bases. So that would match with that. And this is a rectangular prism. Rectangular pyramid. I'm sorry. Ish. I'm not sure. Rectangular polyhedron. Okay. Anyway, so we have our base, and then we would fold up the 2 sides, and we have our triangle coming out the top and the bottom. And they would fold up, and they would be a match here. So just to show you guys what the assignment would look like for you guys for this one, you're just going to draw and tell me which shape represents which net. So we have a triangular pyramid. Which one of these is a triangle pyramid? So you're just going to go in, and you're going to draw a line. Boom. Draw a line. Boom. Now don't follow my lines because I didn't even look at them. I just did them real quick. But that's all I want you guys to do is draw a line to connect the figures. Same thing here. So I could draw a line there, I could draw a line there, I can draw a line here, I could draw a line here. Again, you guys are going to just match them. So that's all you're doing for this assignment, is you're matching the figure with the net. So any questions, reach out, guys. Good luck. Have a good one. Bye.